Hello, and welcome to another episode in our series on getting started with the .Net client library for the Google Ads API. I'm Benji Rothman, a developer relations engineer working on the Google Ads API. In this episode, we will create a new .Net project and import the client library for the Google Ads API as a dependency. As usual, I'll walk you through the steps required to do so. I'll be using Visual Studio Professional as my IDE because it's the one I'm the most familiar with. You can use any other development environment that you like. First of all, we're going to create a new project. You can do so by clicking the File menu and selecting the Project option from the new submenu. This brings up the Create a New Project window. Select C# Console App as the project template and click the Next button. On the next screen, enter a name for the project. I'll use getting-started-.net as the project name. Click the Next button. On the next screen, select the framework version. I'll be using .NET 6.0, which has long-term support, but you can pick any framework version that the library supports. See our documentation to learn more. I have included links in the video description. I'm choosing the Do Not Use Top-Level Statements options since it covers more platforms and C# language versions. Click the Create button to create the project. The IDE will create the necessary files for me. Now I want to add the .NET client library for Google Ads API as a dependency. To do so, I right-click the project name in the Solution Explorer window on the left and select Manage NuGet Packages option from the context menu. This brings up the NuGet Package Manager window in a new IDE tab. Make sure that the Browse tab is selected. Search for the google.ads.googleads package. This is the first entry in the list of results. Click to select the package and see its details on the right pane window. You can pick a version of the library from the drop-down menu on the right window. We will use the latest stable version. Click the Install button to install the package. Visual Studio downloads and installs the google.ads.googleads package and all its dependencies. When prompted, review the license for various libraries and click the I accept button to continue with the installation process. Now close the NuGet Package Manager tab and go back to the main function. If the .NET client library for Google Ads API has been installed correctly, I should be able to use the classes it contains in my source code. To test this, I can start typing campaign in my IDE. The autocomplete dropdown opens and I see various classes from the google.ads.googleads namespace in the list. This means that the library has been imported correctly and my project is ready to use the Google Ads API. In the next episode, we will configure the credentials we obtained from previous videos so that we can authenticate to the API. I'll see you there.